Stinky?
Books.
R. Blinky?
That's it, Captain.
Slinky?
R.
Books! I want gold, you dogs.
Look, Captain.
Go, throw me down the boat.
No, it doesn't belong to you.
R. It's a beauty. What do you markings here?
That's an M. We're still trying to figure out what M stands for, so we know who it belongs to. Map of the island on which the treasure is buried of Captain Kidd.
Huh?
That's what the writing on the map says.
We could have told you that in the boat with the rest of the fire. And nothing to eat but moldy biscuits and these two trickster thieves would be
Oh,
willing
we can
to
put it
talk.
back on top. He stood up, so.
Row, dogs, row. Double the pace, you swine. I hear singing from this ship. I fear the crew be getting lazy. I can feel it in me bones. Ah! Bones! Bones!
Bones, 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 and Captain Kidd. Let us hear a